She's gonna die, Eric. You're gonna kill her.
Oh my god, this is too...
Go, she's looking for it, retard. Ayoy.
Just had some
Look at this dirty house. It's so gross. She ain't doing it now. Oh. Look at her, she's like, what did I do?
Okay, turn it off now.
No. What's she doing? Hey, Poppy. Hey, Poppy. Bacon. Hi. See the light? See the light? Oh. Where is she? I can't see her. She's gonna jump in the fireplace, Eric.
Yeah, I know.
Where is it?
It's right there.
I mean, where is she?
She went by the couch.
Oh, damn it. Oh, there she is. Dig me, damn it. Okay, that's enough with bacon. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Indy. I hate that shirt. I can't stand it.
I hate your snowbird thingies.
My snow bear pajamas. I love them.
I hope they die.
I hope you die.
I hope they die.
Snowmans can't die,
Yeah,
Eric.
they can in the summer.
Snowmans come to life in the summer.
No,
And they become real men.
yes.
I'm a real boy.
I'm a real boy. Who's a real boy?
You know I'm still
You
know I'm still recording you, right?
Yeah, I know that.
Do something, sing. Be funny.
Yeah. That's what you say. Okay, one time, me, Bacon, and all my family is in the kitchen.
Was I there?
Yeah, no, you were sleeping.
Oh.
No, you was up, you and Brenda.
Okay.
Okay, now the rabbit comes in the kitchen, okay? There's a rabbit in the kitchen, and all you see is something black.
Okay.
Run! Alright, now, when you go outside, Bacon, the dog, is chasing the rabbit in corners and corners and corners. And there's this much space underneath the fence for Bacon to get in and get out. So the rabbit got in from there and got out from there. As Bacon was chasing her, she struggled to get underneath the fence.
Why'd you put your hand in there?
It looked cool.
Hey, could you go get my soda?
Nah.
Yeah.
You know what I think about that?
What? Nah.
I think that.
Oh, that hurts.
That's what I think.
Go get my soda. It's not in the room. It's in the kitchen on the cutting board.
That one?
On the cutting board. Bye, Eric.
Bye.